안녕하세요, 여러분. 저는 다니라고 합니다. So, as you guys know that we have started a series on YouTube that is basics of Korean language and pronunciation rules. So, this is the pre-video for the first chapter, that is self-introduction. So, if you know how to read and write Hangul, that is how to read and write Korean language, and you know the first pronunciation rule, that is the carryover rule, then you are ready to take the next step, that is introducing yourself in Korean language. So, in this chapter, we will cover vocabularies, patterns, and sentences. Those are necessary for the introduction. Okay. So, by the end of this chapter, you will be able to greet others and introduce yourself confidently. Okay. Let's begin. Let's start with TISOKL for fun learning. 감사합니다.